Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make two of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have two hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make two delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.
Do you want to dance?
on a long road trip or simply traveling with a group of people, you need more than one charger. But USB and charging ports are limited in most vehicles. That's where the X5 charger comes in. The X5 USB car charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds while supporting up to 5 devices at once. Its intelligent recognition technology identifies your device, adjusts to its capabilities, and delivers the fastest charge for that device. For example, charging a tablet and charging a smartphone aren't the same thing. No more having to constantly switch out phones and devices.